Our roads and bridges construction budget keeps getting cut to pay for other special executive projects.
I know. We'll have to get really creative and tighten our belts again this year when the governor's executive budget is released.
I have an idea. There is a lot of broadband expansion going on. Plus 5G is right around the corner. We should force broadband providers to start paying a fee on fiber cables when they use our rights of way.
But don't they already pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to us in permitting fees? I know they pay millions more in local property taxes, gross receipt taxes, video franchise fees, and other corporate taxes.
Who cares? Let's just create a fee to raise $195 million and tell broadband providers it is a fee to close a loophole. We need this money.
Okay, I'll get the proposal in the state budget. But hopefully no one calls us out for changing this policy and delaying broadband deployment. After all, my parents still live on a farm in upstate and they are looking forward to high-speed internet.
Get over it. Our bridges and roads are more important than getting broadband in rural areas. Get this done.
Okay.
Trust me. No one is going to notice this new tax.